Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a scene straight out of a fairy tale, the breathtaking Kinkaku-ji Temple, Kyoto's iconic Golden Pavilion. Let's dive into its shimmering beauty and centuries-old secrets. Built in 1397, this Zen Buddhist temple was originally the retirement villa of Shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu. After his death, it transformed into a temple symbolizing harmony between heaven and earth. But what makes it truly unforgettable? The top two floors are completely covered in gold leaf. Surrounding the pavilion is the mirror-like Kyoko-chi Pond. Every angle here is a postcard, the Golden Pavilion dancing on the water, framed by ancient pines and moss-covered rocks. This garden is a 14th century, strolling paradise meant to immerse you in nature's tranquility. The best time to visit in autumn for cherry blossoms. That will be pure magic. Each floor represents a different style. The first floor, Shinden, resembles Heian-era palaces with open windows for moon-viewing parties. The second, Bak, channels samurai minimalism, while the top tier is a Zen sanctuary crowned with a golden phoenix. Listen closely. That soothing sound isn't just the breeze, it's water trickling from a hidden stone fountain into the pond. In Zen gardens, water represents purity and the flow of time. If you're enjoying this vlog, please give me a thumbs up. In 1950, a young monk set the pavilion ablaze, a tragedy that inspired Yukio Mishima's novel The Temple of the Golden Pavilion. The temple we see today, rebuilt in 1955, faithful to the original but with thicker gold layers. Just remember, arrive early to dodge crowds. This UNESCO gem draws millions. And hey, if you've been here, drop a comment below what's your favorite Kyoto temple. Before we go, grab matcha at the garden's tea house and soak in the calm.